Hello, everyone. Welcome to visit Topper broadcast room again. Oh, I saw some familiar friend today. Some friend watches Topper's live show more than once. Wow,
Yeah,
good.
welcome to our live show room again.
Yes. At the same time, every Friday, Topper will be waiting for you here. Topper is very happy to share information and knowledge about hydraulic fittings and discuss anything about hydraulic with you. Follow us. You will always receive knowledge of hydraulic fitting and information too. Okay, today we will prepare great coupon for you.
Yeah, follow us and subscribe us. You will get coupon and also free sample and full set of catalog and also previous live show video full set. You can get this. Please don't wait and send us message. You will get this.
Yes, just to remind who we are, this is Mary Guo from Topper. We help customers choose the right hydraulic hose and fittings and follow up processing in according to the orders to ensure that you will receive the goods in time and correctly. This is my college.
I'm Cherry from Topper Company. Topper Company have helped hundreds of clients grow their business. Please contact us. Your business will grow quickly and sharply.
Yes. Today's topic is compression fittings and
T-adapter
plugs.
and bushing.
Yes. Before we introduce the compression fittings, we compare it, okay? Yes.
Oh, this is the Euro fitting.
Yes. This is the compression fitting. Look.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you know the difference?
Yes. Look, okay.
Oh.
The first.
Yeah, this fitting is Euro. They are look similar, but they are in different connections. Yeah, this one is one piece. Can take out.
Yes.
Cannot take out.
Yes, but this one, look, when we remove the nuts, you will get 3 parts. Look.
Yeah.
Yes, this one piece, but this 3 parts. Yes. And the one connection, this one uses the ring to connect the pipe and make the seal.
Yeah, this one only needs a thread seal.
Yes, and
this one can connect by port, block or fitting.
yes, this connects with tube.
Yes, different connection.
Yes.
Wait.
Yes, but there are some looks similar. Yes, because they all both have threads.
Yes.
The bite fitting, also named the compression fitting. This one are most commonly used in some industry.
Yeah, oil and gas.
Yes, and construction equipment.
Do you know other application?
Yes, I know.
Very
Do
well
you know?
used.
Do you know? You can leave a message to us.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you use it in different place, please tell us and leave the message. We know other applications.
Yes, for example, construction equipment.
Yeah. Drilling platform.
Yes, a hydropower plant.
Railway
Technology. Yes, and
recycling equipment.
yes, machine tools.
and shipbuilding.
Yes, and white turbines.
And mining.
Yes, and mobile hydraulic equipment and stationary hydraulic equipment too.
Yes, and mobile equipment.
Yes.
Oh, if you use different applications, please tell us and leave the message.
Okay, and if you in the industry we mentioned, please tell us too. Let's share more industry information with you.
Do you know how it works? It's very special.
Yes, it's very special. Look, we said it consists of 3 parts. Do you know?
Yeah.
Which parts includes?
Oh, I see. There are the compression site,
Yes.
also body, also called body.
Yes, and this is the fire, also cutting ring.
Yes, cutting
And
ring.
this is the nut.
Yes.
3 parts.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
yes, not only this one. Look, this is the single barrel
Yes. We
compressor.
also have double ferrule compression fitting.
Yes, look at this.
Yes.
Look at this one.
Yeah. Double ferrule or double cutting ring. This is back ferrule. It's very small.
Yes,
this,
look.
Yeah. Same.
Yes.
This is back. This
Back.
is
Front.
ferrule.
And the
Yeah.
nut. This is the nut.
Yeah.
Yes,
This is
and
the
the
body.
body. Yes. Which one do you use?
Yeah, double or single ferrule compression fitting. Please contact us and
Yeah.
left message.
Yeah.
You will get discount. Don't miss this chance.
It's really a good chance.
Yeah.
How do you know how to work these compression fittings?
Yeah. The compression fitting applies a comprehensive
On the pipe,
fronts on the pipe and the pipe fittings.
forcing a tight seal.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And when assembly, the 2 cutting run.
Yes, the cutting rings of the 2 cutting rings edge into the outer force of the into the
outer surface of
of-
the tube.
yes, and make sure the
Necessary holding power and,
and
the seal for the
for the high pressure and vibration.
yes. Prevent the leakage. Prevent the fluid leakage.
Yeah.
The place
Place
the
the fitting
yes.
against the pipe.
Oh yes, place the fitting against the pipe, and compress the fitting powerfully, and then to eliminate any space between the fitting.
Fitting.
Yes. If you still have problem or question, message us. Send a message now. Our professional staff will share more information about it.
Yeah, about the compression fitting, we also have different material. There are brass
Yes.
and
Stainless
stainless
steel.
steel. We also have carbon steel
Yes.
if you need.
Oh yes. And in fact, in the industry, also some plastic too. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now a friend asked. We find some friends leave message. They ask if they want to buy this compression fitting. What should he provide to us? Do you know? If you want to buy it, what should you tell us? Then we will give you right fitting.
The size?
Yes. Yes, size is very important because if you buy a different size, you have to use different pipe, and if wrong sizes you buy, you will waste your money and it is nothing to you. It means nothing to you. Waste your money.
Yeah. Also tell us you need a single or double ferrule.
Yes, and the material. A different material could use in different environments.
Yeah.
So if you use some white pipe or some hard environment, you have to choose stainless or brass. Yes.
Yeah. The compression fitting also have 3 types. One type is LL, is very light, special light.
Oh, yes.
And the L is light type, and the light type.
Yes.
And another is S,
Look,
heavy
this
type.
is Heavy
Yes.
type. Yes. Bear higher power.
Yes. Very different high pressure.
Yes. Welcome have a message in our live show. And one who leave message to us during our live show, you will get free samples
Yes.
and discount if you buy from us. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Compression introduce will finish now. Okay. Do you have question?
Yeah.
If you still want more information about the compression fittings, leave us a message or follow us. You could see a follow symbol on the screen. Click it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Many types we have in stock. Please
Yeah.
send your inquiry list. We can check whether we have in stock. If we have in stock, you will get the products very quickly.
Yes. In fact, our high quality products make many customers cooperate with us. But in fact, this is not the only reason. Yes.
Yeah. We also consider the client's feedback and
Yeah.
needs.
Yes. And then, if you want to know more products from Topper, not only this one. If you not, we have many different fittings except this one. Also have house fitting, one piece fitting, two-piece fitting, and a reusable fitting.
Flank clamp,
Yes.
and also reusable fitting.
Yes.
Yeah, we have the live show video of previous live show. If
Yes.
you want to get the video, please left the message to us.
Yes, our videos will send to you.
Yeah, you will get more information.
Yes. Topper like to share information with
Yeah,
you.
any fittings you will find.
Okay, yes. Okay, let's introduce the T, okay?
T adapters.
Yes, T adapters.
We have different threads.
Yes.
MPTF threads.
Yes. JIC fries.
Yeah, JSC.
Yes.
And ORFS. Yes, the orange.
Yes. And this SAE.
And this metric
yes.
fitting.
Yes.
Metric
And,
fitting.
In fact, if we consider the threads type, the form, it
Yeah,
also have different
male-
types.
Yeah, male
Yes.
fittings.
Look,
The three sides, three
ends.
ends are male.
Yes.
Males. Yeah.
Yeah. And the female fittings. Look, the three ends our female threads on it.
And the branch T.
Yes.
The middle end is different from the two sides.
Yes.
And these two sides are male, and this is female.
Yes.
This is branch T.
Yes. And this is the run T. Run T have two same female, but the branch and this end. But
Yeah, the right side end is different from these two sides.
Yes. Okay. Do you know other different types tea?
Yeah. If you have other tea requirements, please send us message.
Yes.
We could share more information and detailed each type damage
Oh yes.
to you.
Yes. Look, in fact, the tea, we also produce different material.
Yeah. The
We
carbon
pro-
steel
Yes.
and the stainless steel
Yes.
and also brass.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our metal, we could produce it for you.
Yeah. We also could make as per your sample and drawing customers tea.
Oh, yes. Yes. Do you know when we'll use the tea
Oh,
fitting?
when joint one to and another joint one to another pepper.
Yes, and the direction to
Yeah.
change the direction. When you want to change the direction, you will use the
tea fitting.
Yes, yes. Okay. Do you want to message us? It's very easy. Look at your screen. There is a blank. You
Yeah.
will input your message and click it. Ship
Yeah,
to us.
anyone who leaves message, you will get discount. It's a very
Yeah.
big chance. Please
Yeah.
don't miss it.
Yes. The ticking is look. If you want to know more different information about tea, never forget to contact us.
Yeah,
How do you think? Let's introduce
the
this.
plug and the bushing.
Yes. Do you
Plug?
know which is plug?
Yeah, the plug is here.
yes.
This.
Yes. Yes.
It's solid. It's solid.
Oh yes. Do our the plug same
Same
like
height?
this? Yes.
No. This is Hanks. The height is different. This is Hanks. Hanks
Hand
height.
socket hand yes.
This is round, and
Yes.
also the Hanks gun socket. Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh, this one is really perfect. Look, you could use your tool to
Yeah.
control here. Yes, easy to use. Look, they have different size tool. Also looks small, but these fittings all have different size. For
Yeah.
example, this one. Could you guess what size it is?
ORFS.
Oh yes, look, it's very easy to see. Here is O-ring on the surface. Look, here is O-ring on the surface.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have introduced in our previous
Yes.
video about
Yes.
ORFS.
It's perfect to
Yeah.
avoid leaking.
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
the SE type number is FS 2408.
Yes, and look this one. Look. Do you know this? What kind of size this one?
Oh, it's GSE.
Oh,
Very
yes.
popular in industry hydraulic.
Oh yes, it's a GIC because this call. Yes.
Yeah.
Someone call it 37. Yes, but someone
Rare.
call it
Yeah.
74. Both means this one. It's very popular. If you want it, message us. Or if you just want to know more about the GIC, also could contact us.
Yeah.
And this one, look, this is special one. Look.
Yeah, this is BSP plug,
Yeah.
and this has the captive seal. You can see it, captive seal, and also Hanks
Socket.
gun socket.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. How do you think? Let's introduce this one. Looks so similar. These kinds, right?
Yeah, but they are different.
Oh yes, they are different.
I can through.
Oh,
I can through.
yes, but this one cannot, right?
So this is called
Bushing.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the cap. This is the bushing. The bushing have both inside female thread
and male thread.
Both.
Yeah.
Yes. And look, they have different one. Look, this longer and this is short.
Yeah.
We could produce both. If you want this one, make a short one. Okay, no problem. If you want to this one, but I want a longer. Okay, yes, Topper could meet your requirement.
And this is capsule seal. The type number with WD.
Yes, WD.
Yeah.
Okay. All this bushing also have different material. What kind of material do you use?
Yeah.
You could message us, send a message to us if you are right. Our professional staff will send you a surprise.
Yeah, big surprise.
Yes.
The material we have carbon steel, stainless steel,
Yes. Carbon steel.
and brass.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you can see different material.
Yes.
You can tell us which one you need.
Yes. Okay. Now we have finished our production.
Where the plug used to is used to seal and protect hydraulic
Components. Yes.
from damage.
Yes. It's very important in the hydraulic system.
Yeah.
Yes. If you have question about anything,
Compression.
yes.
Fitting,
And look, this is not only named compression fitting.
bite tap.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also named bite tap. It's really very you could know. Bite. This will bite the tube. Yes.
And the T fittings.
Yes. And look, we have so many different teeth, and we will put the O-ring and this parts on the T for you. And look, here is the cap. It could protect
a male thread.
Yes. This one. Right. Okay. Not very good. Look, we will match a suitable plus cap for your male fittings. Our male fittings will come with this plug caps. Yes.
Okay, we have finished introduction of today's fittings because hydraulic adapters have many types. So we choose these 3 special types.
Yes.
Next week we will introduce more information about hydraulic adapters.
Do you want to know which hydraulic fitting our hydraulic house, even some, for example, flanges, reusable quick couplings, please leave a message to us. We will share it in next Friday.
Okay.
Please remember, each Friday we will hear for you.
Yeah, we will update our product information.
Yes, every Friday at the same time.
Yeah.
Topper, here.
We wait you.
Yes. Okay. Now only 1 minute left. If you want to get a discount or surprise, please message to us.
Yeah, and also subscribe us. You will get the newest information.
Yes. Okay. Stop. Okay. The carbons off. Our introduction also should finish now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see next time.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
干了吗？